Hey guys, welcome back to Planet Roomba. Today has been the best day of my life. I got to go shopping, buy confetti. Now I just need to eat this banana. I haven't eaten a banana all day. Oh hey Alec, what's up? What? There's something in the package? Let me go see it. Let me just pop this banana right here. Oh, there is a package. What does it say? It says robot vacuum cleaner P7. Hang on. I think I recognize this model. I think I ordered something very suspicious. What's this brand say? 360 Botslab. Oh, I think I know. I think I ordered it. Let me just go get the scissors and start unboxing. Right now, let's unbox. Whoa. Here it is. Got user manual. That looks like a QR code. Configuration guide. Here is the vacuum cleaner. Here it is. It's got a recharge button, spot clean button, and a start stop button. And here's its top mounted camera for navigating. This thing is Wi-Fi enabled. Here's what it looks like underneath. We gotta put the side brushes on. Let's take this out. Here's the power adapter, I believe. Here is the charger. Wow. And is this a dustbin or a water tank? I'm not sure. Let me just open this up to find out. Looks like a water tank to me. And these look like Velcro pieces for the pad to stick on. And speaking of pads, they are right here. And then we have a brush to clean the robot. Take this out too. Here are some little side brushes that we gotta attach. Alright, they don't need screwing. No. This is how tiny the dustbin is. I think I should replace these. There we go. Anyways, this part is gonna be plugged into this dock, and then this brick you're going to have to plug in yourself. Now, I don't have a PowerPoint like this, so does this allow us to plug it in? I think it does. Is this American? Let me know in the comments. And then this one is Australian, so we'll use it for now. Alright, I finally switched these. I just got my help from my mom. Anyways, let's help the docking station out. Warning, watch out the edges when wrapping the cable. I don't get that text on others, so I don't get it. Charging matters needing attention. Manually dock the product and charging seat when the charger is under bad contact. Keep the mainframe machine stayed away from electrode sheet at the same time. I don't care about all of this, just let's keep unboxing. Okay, and then last, looks like a little remote in there, is it? Oh yeah, it is a remote. Now I just need to unwrap this soft plastic out for him. Sorry, I have to pause the video because it took 2 hands for that. I had to lay it down on this carpet so that it doesn't get damaged. We're going to have to put batteries in this. And it came with its own batteries. Just take these out. Here are the little batteries. Okay, let me just clear all of this. So here is everything that comes in the box. We have 360's charger, Botslab P7 vacuum cleaner, power adapter with a couple other bricks, dustbin with water tank, little brush, remote control, and its batteries. Those batteries are AAA's.
System is booting. Please wait.
Five seconds later.
Device activated. Automatic cleaning. Locating. Please wait. New environment recognized. Started. Indoor environment recognized successfully. Return for charging. Start charging.
Alright folks, video's finished. If you enjoyed, like, subscribe, comment and share. And definitely do it if you're a big fan. Thanks for watching. We will see you in the next video. Bye bye. Hey 360, can you say bye to our viewers? Aw, good robot. See ya folks.